What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this glasses swap effect that was seen in Gunna and Offset's latest music video. It is a pretty cool effect, so make sure to watch until the end because I'm going to be giving you guys all the sauce. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the effect we're going to break down in this video is this part right here where there's the glasses swap. The glasses keep changing. We're going to use Photoshop for that. Before, we're going to set up the scene in After Effects to afterwards do the actual effect within Photoshop. So I created a composition right here. Here's the clip that we're going to do the effect on. I think I'm going to start the effect right here. So I'm going to cut my clip right there. Then let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. Hope I counted that correctly. Then I'm gonna cut it once again, Command Shift D. And then what we're gonna do is export each frame as a Photoshop file. So how we do this is going to Composition, Save Frame As, File. So now we can make a folder called Frames. And let's call this 1. Boom. Render it out. And we're gonna do the same thing for all of the frames. Save Frame As. So yeah. We're gonna do this for the 10 frames. That way they're each gonna get a Photoshop file. We'll just have to save the project and then we're gonna import it back into After Effects pretty easily. I'll see you guys when I'm done exporting them. So apparently I only made 9 frames, so I'm just gonna delete this right there, expand it. Alright, so we're now done exporting the frames. Now all we gotta do is go in that folder that we made in which there are the frames. So now you just click on the first one. It'll open up. Now we're gonna select the lasso tool, clicking L, and then you just want to go over the glasses like this. Something like that. Boom. If you want to add some more, like here I kind of overstep. You just press Shift and add it to your selection. Like that. It doesn't have to be super precise as long as the glasses are in the selection. So now we're going to go to Edit and click on Generative Fill. And now you basically want to be creative, but you want to type sunshades every time. Let's say I could write funky sunshades. And now just like that, the AI Generative Fill tool in Photoshop is going to generate some new glasses for us. Then you click on Generate. And then they're going to give us 3 options to choose from. If you don't like the options, you can just generate some new ones. So as you can see, the first one is not it. It might be because of the selection. I should have made them more round, but then we have one that works. So now all you got to do is Command S to save. And now it's going to be updated in the frames folder. Here are the glasses in the first Photoshop file. So you want to go in each of the Photoshop files and generate some new glasses just like that. Edit. Generative fill. I'm gonna simply write sunshades. Now we got some new ones. This one is looking pretty cool, so I'm gonna save it. Command S. And now it's basically the same thing all over again. You get the principle. Now I'm gonna finish this. Alright, so now we're finally done generating to each frame some new glasses. So now they're all saved just like this. So now we're gonna incorporate them in After Effects. So let's go back into our composition, and now what we're gonna do is go get these and we can just drag them in our project just like that, and then we can drag them in the composition. Now the first one, we're gonna keep it 1 frame long, add the first frame, so on and so forth. The second one, add the second frame, just like that. There we go. So now here's what we have. And now we can just add little details that'll sauce up the video even more. So now we can do a new adjustment layer. And then let's cut this off from there to there. And we're gonna add the exposure effect. And now we're gonna do Alt click. And let's do wiggle 8, 3. And now we just added this slight flicker effect to it. And then the last thing I'm gonna add, it always looks nice in a music video, is a shake. So we're going to create a new adjustment layer, and then I'm going to use a shake of my shake pack. It'll be available down below. It is 20 plus presets that'll really make your workflow way easier and add really that energy to your scenes. I think for this one, it's good if we have a really fast transition. So I'm going to choose fastest hit. That way we just get that quick, just like that. That looks insane. So we're going to put this one at the end, and let's copy another one and put it at the beginning as well. So now we get this. And now just like that, here's our final result. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if it brought you any value, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and let me know in the comments what type of tutorials you would like me to cover next. And if you still feel like learning, you can watch this video right there, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.